Introducing the EXERPEUTIC 400 XL folding recumbent bike with LCD display and pulse monitor from Paradigm Health and Wellness. Getting in shape doesn't need a lot of space in your house. The EXERPEUTIC Space Saver folding recumbent bike is your solution. It's designed as semi-recumbent, is very easy to get on and off the bike, and provides a more effective and comfortable workout. And it will fold to half the size when you want to store it. Plus, it's easy to move with the included transportation wheels. Here's what you can also expect from the EXERPEUTIC Space Saver folding recumbent bike. The 8-level magnetic tension control system that allows you to adjust the tension level for an easier or more difficult workout. A 3-piece high-torque cranking system provides a smooth and consistent pedaling motion. The precision-balanced flywheel and V-belt drive provide a smooth and quiet operation. You can watch TV or listen to music while working out with no interference. It's designed to give you comfort and safety while exercising. The large seat cushion and backrest are for users of any size and are adjustable to fit 5'2" to 6'2" user height. The larger pedal design with safety strap prevents any foot slippage when exercising. Extended leg stabilizers prevent any movement or tipping. It can support a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. It even comes with an easy-to-read large window 3.3-inch LCD display that indicates distance, calories burned, time, speed, scan, and heart rate monitor, including hand pulse monitor. So there you have it. Our EXERPEUTIC Space Saver folding recumbent bike is packed with features, yet easy to use and store. We also provide a 1-year limited warranty. So what are you waiting for? Let's get busy.
The advanced folding frame design and multi-seating positions of the Xterra Fitness FB350 folding bike maximizes your use of space while providing a workout that is comfortable and effective. The padded lower back pad, large anatomically designed thick padded seat, and padded seat handles combine to give you a comfortable secondary seating position that will keep you working out longer. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB350 utilizes our solid X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, along with a convenient scan feature. Make your workouts more effective by easily monitoring your heart rate with the handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort and convenience, the FB350 features large multi-grip padded handlebars and an accessory holder for your remote control or phone. With folded dimensions under 21 inches by 20 inches and built-in transport wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and free up valuable floor space. Start on the road to fitness today with the Xterra Fitness FB350 folding bike and exceed your expectations.
Don't let work stop you from getting healthy. The EXERPEUTIC ExerWorK 1000 desktop bike lets you be productive while burning calories, losing weight, and getting fit. With a hybrid design of upright and recumbent bike features, it's easy to get on and off. You get the comfortable benefits of a recumbent backrest, along with the bike pedaling motion of an upright bike. The desktop itself provides ample room at 16 inches wide and 24 inches long, and supports up to 44 pounds. Our specially designed desktop can be adjusted to 3 different positions, including flat, 16 degrees, and 33 degrees. This feature ensures that you're always in an ergonomically correct position. Our unique desktop can be raised or lowered to 5 positions, from 41 inches to 45 inches. It also slides forward and back. In addition, it features cup holders and a convenient storage drawer to keep everything you need within arm's reach. A durable soft foam armrest will support your arms as you read or work on your computer. The ExerWorK 1000's ultra-luxurious air-soft seat has individual air chambers that disperses your weight while providing the most comfortable seat for even your longest workouts. The large foam backrest will enhance back support and ensure a pleasant exercise and productive work experience. The ExerWorK 1000 accommodates users ranging from 5 foot 2 inches to 6 foot 3 inches tall and up to 300 pounds. The ExerWorK 1000 provides an LCD computer display built into the armrest, so you never lose track of your workouts, no matter what you have on your desk. The computer displays distance, time, speed, calories burned, odometer, and pulse. The ExerWorK 1000 offers 8 levels of magnetic tension to choose from, while its floor leveling stabilizers prevent any shaking or tipping on even the most vigorous of workouts. The durably constructed powder-coated steel frame features a high-torque crank system for smooth, consistent pedaling in addition to a quiet drive belt system with a precisely balanced flywheel that offers the perfect silent operation for any home or office space. When you're done, the ExerWorK 1000 space-saving design can be folded and rolled away for easy storage. Never have to choose between work or your health again. Get a workout and stay productive with the EXERPEUTIC ExerWorK 1000 Desk Station Folding Bike with Pulse Measurement.
Don't let work stopping you from getting healthy. The Fear Done bike. Let people deducted burn more calories, losing weight and getting fat. We have adopted a more ergonomic design to make it easier to go up and down. It is very easy to assemble. A LED display indicates distance, calories burned, time and speed. No more boring workouts. Just place your iPad, Galaxy, Kindle, etc. onto the Innova Universal Tablet Holder and keep yourself connected. Now you can enjoy your favorite news, movies, check emails and social networks while you work out. The bike seat is using aerodynamic healthcare technology, allowing air to breathe through the fabric. The seat remains cool after many hours of use. The precision balanced flywheel and V-belt drive provide a smooth and quiet operation. It will not interfere with watching TV or listening to music. Easily adjustable to fit anywhere. You can use it in the balcony, bedroom, and living room. When you're done, the Fear Done exercise bike can be folded away for easy store. Transportation wheels provided for easy relocation. Work out your health with Fear Done magnetic bike. Try it today.
Welcome to Impex. This is the Marcy Foldable Upright Bike, an amazing compact cardio machine for a low-impact, high-intensity workout. Let's take a look. Before we start using our bike, let's take a look at some of the great features that come included. Between the handles up front, we have a panel that helps keep track of important stats, like time, distance, calorie, speed, and odometer. The adjustable seat and pedals ensure that we have a comfortable ride. Depending on your height, you may want to change the distance of your seat from your pedals. For the pedals, we'll snap the strap to fit comfortably around our foot. Now that we're done, we can start pedaling. The soft grip handles are another added level of comfort so that you can focus on your workout. Use the handles next to the panel if you decide to lean forward, or if you'd rather lean back, use the handles next to your seat. If you're looking to increase the intensity of your workout, the resistance knob located below the seat will allow you to quickly make changes. When you're done with your workout, fold up your bike and quickly store it away using the transport wheels.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.